I've been looking for that shadow that's inside of me for quite some time. Sunk my teeth into life as a young man blind, but never regret the process or regret times. Wish I could've helped the three of us and breached that line. Like how the hell was I supposed to know? It's the symbiotic circle that we all helped grow. And when it all fell through, yeah, we all sunk in the same lake and drowned in that vision of our future in the same day. And you can tell it to the doctor when he asks you, or carving in your little prison wall like a tattoo. But we got a frozen rock of luck like a statue that stands at the crossroads, blocking where they pass through. Damn, that's part of living on the offbeat, part of skipping down that never-ending dark street. So you can fight it and draw the difference between us, cause the blood doesn't match what the eye disease does. How many more hearts are we gon' break? How many failed steps are we gon' take? It's time to look at what we got here. Standing on the verge of that age-old question, is it nature versus nurture? How many more lines are we gon' cross until we figure out the pain we caused? It's time to look at what we got here. Standing on the verge of that age-old question, is it nature versus nurture?
He ain't got no manners when he eats his food. He's
Flip through that little photo book that mom made and look for the warning signs crawling out of my face. I've been questioning the level of our mind state that made us feel like everything around us was a crying shame. No answers, just a whole bunch of burnt bridges, burn stitches in the curve in our world's rhythm. And I don't know where we learned this from or how it stuck with you after all the worst was done. But it scares me, yeah, and I'm not afraid to say it. I'm ready to wake the demon in the closet up and face it and take it out and display it and show the world that it's real. Stop running from the past like it's gonna make you heal, cause it can't. And maybe that's the reason why I see it and feel it in my pen when I sit down and treat it. And after all of it's done, you don't have to believe it when the blood doesn't match. Ugly disease lives. How many more hearts are we gon' break? How many failed steps are we gon' take? It's time to look at what we got here. Standing on the verge of that age-old question, is it nature versus nurture? How many more lines are we gon' cross until we figure out the pain we caused? It's time to look at what we got here. Standing on the verge of that age-old question, is it nature versus nurture?